Alright guys, so today we're going to show you how to change the battery in a Toyota key fob. So let's take a look at this here. So don't worry about removing any of these rings or anything. What we want to look at is right here. You'll see this little notch taken out of the key. So you can take a butter knife, screwdriver, whatever you like. And we're just going to place it right in there. I'm going to kind of give it a pry, and that should start to pop. There we go. Start to see it to pop a little bit, and it comes off. Now, these buttons right here will fall out, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this over and take this off from the back, just like that. This little part will pull out. And as you can see, all these little buttons underneath here, they will come out, so I'm just going to set that over to the side, just as is. And here we go. Here comes the fun part. So as we look at this, it's got a bunch of little notches all the way around this little beauty. So we're just going to take our handy dandy flathead and just pop there we go. Starting to pry up here a little bit, right? There it is. You can see that just popped suddenly. So I'm gonna open this up and we see our nice little battery right in here. And here's our replacement, a 2016 3-volt. So next thing we need to do is just take this little battery out. What I do have is some eyeglass flathead screwdriver, and I'm sure you can use a few other little tools. The main thing is just a little pry to get this out, just like that. It's got these little notches around the sides, so kind of have to pull it away from there, and there we go, pop it right out of there. So there that is, and let's get the new one in. All right, so putting the battery back in, just gonna kind of angle it here, just like that. I think that's the best way to do it, is angle it toward that little gold spring mechanism and then pressing forward into it just like that. Next thing we do, put the cover back on. This can only go in one direction, so kind of safe there, thank goodness. Makes things a little bit easier. Got that locked in. And once again, being careful because those buttons will fly out. And it matches that shape. That rubber goes towards the buttons. Pop that in like that. Take our cover. Place it on. And there we go. So let's give it a test. All right, so here we go, give it a test. And there we go. Guys, I appreciate you guys watching, and make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, and we'll see you guys next time.